yellow color, brown color, light blue color and red color. I will use all the colors in this video. Little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful school bus with tracing. I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and see, this will be a beautiful school bus. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Do you go to school with school bus? Yes, I think you should go to school with school bus. Many students go to school with a school bus because school bus is very safe. I draw the picture, now it's time to color it. Here I am using light blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want light blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Now I am using deep brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep brown color. Last one I'm using yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Wow, the school bus is looking so beautiful. You should also try to do it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.